Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Myself Sangeeta Jain, representing Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, in this lecture we discuss remaining part of chapter 3 factors and multiples. Now in this segment we discuss highest common factor means HCF. Now HCF by prime factorization, HCF by long division method, least common factors LCM, and LCM by prime factorization, LCM by division method, and relation between HCF and LCM of two numbers. Now first we will discuss highest common factor means HCF. Now find all the factors of 24 and 32 to find the HCF. Now we have two methods to find the prime factors of the numbers. We use here factor tree method. First you find prime factors of 24. आपने 24 के prime factors find किए. You divide 4 6 are 24. Got it this? अब 4 और 6 आपके पास में क्या है? Composite numbers है. So again we factorize this. 2 2s are 4 and 6 के आप factors करोगे तो 2 3s are 6. Now what is the factors of 24? 2 2 2 and 3. Now we find factors of 36. 4 8s are 36. Sorry, 4 8s are 32. हाँ, आप 32 के prime factors find कर रहे हो यहाँ पर. Now still 4 and 8 both are composite numbers. So further we factorize as a prime factors. So 2 2s are 4 और 8 को आपने factorize किया तो 2 4s are 8. Now 4 still we have as a composite number. So 2 2s are 4. Finally, what is the prime factors of 32? 2 2 2 2 and 2. Now students, to find the HCF, we find the common prime factors of the given numbers. After that we multiply the common factors of that number to find the HCF. Here factors of 24 are 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 and 24, and factors of 32 are 1 2 3 4 8 16 and 32. This is the another method. Now first we find out common factors of 24 and 32. Now common factors are 1 2 3 4 8. These are the common factors between 24 and 32. Now we find out highest common factor means इन factors में सबसे बड़ा common factors कौन सा है? तो highest common factor is 8. So 8 is the HCF means highest common factor. Out of these the highest common factor is 8. That is the greatest number which divides 24 and 32 without leaving a remainder. Means जो HCF आता है आपका वो उन two numbers को exactly divide करता है. You got it this? Exactly divisible means remainder should be 0. So we say highest common factor of 24 and 32 is 8. Now highest common factor. The HCF is also known as greatest common divisor. Thus HCF or greatest common divisor of two or more number is defined as the greatest number that exactly divides all the given numbers without leaving a remainder. I already told you in the previous example कि जो भी आपका HCF होगा उस HCF से आपके given numbers जिनका आप HCF find कर रहे हो that are exactly divisible. You got it this? Means remainder should be 0. To find the HCF of two or more numbers we can use two methods. First prime factorization method and second is long division method. Now HCF by prime factorization method. To understand this we take example. Find the HCF HCF of 15 and 20 using prime factorization. So first we find prime factors of 15 and 20 by division method. We already discussed this method in previous example. So we have 15 here, 15 is divisible by 3, 3 is also a prime number, again 3 5s are 15, we have 5 here. Now we divide this number by 5, 5 5s are 5 1s are 5. So 3 and 5 are the prime factors of 15. Now we find prime factors of 20. Now 2, we divide this number by 2. It is also divisible by 2, 5 and 10, but we will start from a smaller number, and 2 is the smaller prime number. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 zeros are 0. We get 10. Again this is divisible by 2, 5 and 10, but 10 is composite number and 2 and 5 are prime numbers, but we consider smaller number, so we divide this number by 2, 2 5s are 10. Now we divide this number by 5, 5 1s are 5. Now what is the prime factors of 15? 3 and 5, and 1 also, 1 is always factor of every number, and in of the 20, what is the prime factors? 1, 2, 2 and 5. Now what is the common factors between these two numbers? Now 1 and 5 are the common factors. Now we multiply to find the HCF. These two common factors, 1 is multiplied by 5. Now 1 5s are 5. Now what is the HCF of 15 and 20? 5 is the HCF of 15 and 20. Now जो ये HCF आता है, इस HCF से आपका 15 और 20 completely divisible होगा. Completely divisible means remainder should be 0. Students, now we discuss about HCF by long division method. Find the HCF of 36 and 170 by using long division method. We see this example on board. Now friends, we want to find HCF of 36 and 170. First, we consider a smaller number as a divisor and greater number as a dividend. Now 170 and we write here 36. Now we divide 36 4s are 144. Now we subtract these two numbers. Now this is 0 and 4. It becomes 6 and it becomes 10. 10 minus 6 is equals 4 is equals to 6 and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and it is 0. Now जो आपका रिमाइंडर आया है यहाँ पर, वो आपका नेक्स्ट स्टेप में एज अ डिवाइजर वर्क करेगा, और जो आपका यहाँ पर डिवाइजर था वो एज अ न्यू डिविडेंड वर्क करेगा. सो यू राइट हियर 36. नाउ 26 1s are 26 minus 1. Now we have 10 here. Again in this step 10 we use as a divisor, new divisor, and 26 we take as a new dividend. You got it in this method? Now 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 26, 20. So remainder is 6. Again in this step 6 we use 6 as a new divisor and 10 as a new dividend. Now 6 1s are 6. When we subtract this number we get 4. Again we use same method. We take 4 as a new divisor and 6 as a new dividend. Now 4 1s are 4. We subtract these two numbers, we get 2 as a remainder. Again we process same method. We take 2 as a new divisor and 4 as a new dividend. मीन्स जो आपका प्रीवियस स्टेप में रिमाइंडर आता है उसको तो आपको एज अ डिविडेंड कंसीडर करना है, और जो आपका यहाँ पर रिमाइंडर आता है, जो डिवाइजर है आपका, उसको तो आप क्या करोगे, एज अ डिविडेंड यूज करोगे, और जो आपका रिमाइंडर आता है उसको आप एज अ डिवाइजर यूज करोगे. नाउ 2 2s are 4. और ये प्रोसेस कब तक चलेगा? जब तक आपके पास में लास्ट में रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आ जाता है। नाउ जो लास्ट में आपका डिवाइजर होगा वो क्या होगा? आपका HCF। नाउ व्हाट इज द HCF ऑफ 36 एंड 170? 2 is the HCF of 170 and 36. You got it, this method? Now we discuss about least common multiples means LCM. Unlike HCF, here we find multiples instead of factors. अब जैसे आपको नेम से ही पता चल रहा है कि लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स के लिए आपको कॉमन मल्टीपल्स फाइंड करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? मल्टीपल्स फाइंड करना पड़ेगा। HCF मीन्स हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, तो वहां पर फैक्टर नेम आ रहा है, इट मीन्स आपको वहां फैक्टर्स फाइंड करने थे। और यहां पर हमें लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल्स एलसीएम फाइंड करने के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? मल्टीपल्स को फाइंड करना पड़ेगा। नाउ वी टेक एग्जांपल, फाइंड द एलसीएम ऑफ 8 एंड 12। 8 और 12 का आपको क्या करना है? एलसीएम फाइंड करना है। तो फर्स्ट वी राइट मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 8 एंड आफ्टर दैट वी फाइंड मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 12. So multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 86, 96 and so on. ठीक है? और after that we find the multiples of 12. So 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. These are the multiples of 12. Now we find common multiples between them. So first common multiple is 24. यहाँ पर 8 है बट यहाँ नहीं है, यहाँ 16 है, यहाँ नहीं है, यहाँ 12 है लेकिन यहाँ पर नहीं है। So first common multiple is 24. After that 32 and 40 are not common between them, or 36 also not common. So next multiple is 48. 48 यहाँ भी है और यहाँ भी है. So these are two common multiples. After that 56 and 64 यहाँ तो है लेकिन इसमें नहीं है। So और 60 यहाँ है लेकिन यहाँ पर नहीं है। So we observe next multiple 72 यहाँ भी है और यहाँ पर भी है। So this is the next common multiple. After that 96 is common. 84 यहाँ है लेकिन यहाँ नहीं है। 80 और 88 यहाँ पर है लेकिन यहाँ पर नहीं है। So first we find common multiples of the given numbers. After that least means सबसे छोटा। least means क्या है? सबसे छोटा means smallest common multiple आपको find करना है। तो smallest common multiple क्या है यहाँ पर? 24 is the least common multiple. So first we find common multiples of 8 and 12, 24, 48, 72, 96, और जैसे आप और आगे इन टेबल्स को कंटिन्यू करोगे you find another common multiples. After that we find least common multiple, that is 24. सबसे छोटा common multiple क्या है यहाँ पर? 24. So LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest or least common multiples of the given numbers which is divisible by each of the numbers. It means जिन numbers का आप LCM फाइंड कर रहे हो तो ये जो numbers हैं इनसे 24 exactly divisible होगा. You got it this? Now LCM by prime factorization. Find the LCM of 42 and 64 by prime factorization method. आपको फाइंड करना है LCM प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड से. तो फर्स्ट जैसे आपको नेम से पता चल रहा है, फर्स्ट यू फाइंड प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 42 एंड 24. आफ्टर दैट यू फाइंड द LCM ऑफ दैट नंबर्स. सो फर्स्ट वी फाइंड प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 42. आपने यहाँ पर 42 लिया है तो इट इज डिविजिबल बाय 2. नाउ 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 1. Now we have 21 here. It is divisible by 3. 3 is also a prime number. So 3 7s are 21. Now we have 7 here. 7 is also a prime number. तो 7 7 से ही divide होगा. So 7 1s are 7. Now we find the out prime factors of 64 first. Now it is divisible by 2 by observing. We already discussed divisibility test. We used to find the prime factors divisibility test. Now 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Now we have again 2 here. So it is divisible by 2 and 2 is also a prime number. So 2 1s are 2 and again we carry over 1 here, it becomes 12, 2 6 are 12. Now we have 16, 16 is divisible by 2, 2 8s are 16. Now we have 8 here, now 2 4s are 8 because 8 is divisible by 2. Now we have 4 here, 2 2s are 4. Now we have 2 here, now 2 को आप 2 से डिवाइड करोगे तो आपके पास में रिमाइंडर 1 आ जाएगा. ये प्रोसेस आपको कब तक करना होता है? जब तक आपके पास में यहाँ पर 1 नहीं आता है. After that we write these factors as a product. Now what is the prime factors of 42, 2, 3 and 7 and what is the factors of 64, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now first we find out common factors. तो यहाँ पर आपने इन factors को लिखा है. After that first we find common factor. First we write common factor. After that we write uncommon factors means यहाँ पर 2, 2, 2, 2 और 2 ये यहाँ पर तो है लेकिन इधर नहीं है और 3 और 7 यहाँ पर तो है लेकिन 64 के factors नहीं है. So we write these factors uncommon factors. After that we multiply these numbers to find the LCM. When we multiply these numbers we get 1344. That is the LCM of 64 and 42. It means 42 or 64 से 1344 exactly divisible होगा. Multiply the common factors and the remaining prime factors to find the LCM. Hope you understood well to find LCM by prime factorization. Now we take example to understand this. Find the LCM of 20 and 22 by prime factorization. First we find prime factors of 20 and 22. It is divisible by 2 by observing because it has 0 at one place. So 2 1s are 2 and 2 zeros are 0. Again it is divisible by 2 because 0 at one place. Now 2 5s are 10. Now we have 5 here. 5 is a prime number. So it is divisible by 5 only. 5 1s are 5. Now what is the prime factors of 20? 2, 2, 5 are the prime factors. Now we find out prime factors of 22. Again by observing it is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2. Now 11 is a prime number. So it is divisible by only 11. So we write here 11. 11 1s are 11. Now what is the prime factors of 11? Sorry 22. 22 is equals to 2 is multiplied by 11 means 2 and 11 are the prime factors of 22. Now we find first common factors of 20 and 22. First we write factors of 20, prime factors of 20. 2 is multiplied by 2 is multiplied by 5. Now we write factors of 22. This is 2 and 11. We write like that so that we find common factors easily. Now we find first common factors. Common factor क्या है? यहाँ पर भी 2 है और यहाँ भी 2 है. Remaining are uncommon factors. Now first to find the LCM we write common factor. After that we write uncommon factors that is 2, 5 and 11. Now we multiply all these numbers. 2 2s are 4, 5s are 20. 20 को आप जब 11 से multiply करोगे you get 220. Now this is the LCM of 20 and 22. You got it this method? Now we will discuss next method to find the LCM. Now we will discuss LCM by division method. Find the LCM of 16 and 36 by division method. Now continue division till all the numbers are reduced to 1. You got it this? Now multiply all the factors to get the LCM. Means जो numbers ये आपको यहाँ पर मिले हैं उनको आप पास में क्या करोगे, multiply करोगे to find the LCM. Now we will see this example on the board. Students, we take example 16. We find the LCM of 16 and 36 by using division method. First we write these two numbers together like that. After that we find prime. We divide these two numbers by prime numbers only. So by observing these two numbers is divisible by 2 because 1's place has 6 in the both numbers. 2 8s are 16 and 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. Now in the next step again we find these two numbers are again divisible by 2. So we write 2 here. Now 2 4s are 8 and 2 9s are 16. Now this number is divisible by 2 but this is not. So first we divide this number and we forward this number as it is. So we write here 2, 2 2s are 4 and we write 9 as it is. You got it this? Again we have 2 here. तो आप इसको तो 2 से करोगे but it is not divisible by 2. तो इसको as it is हम forward करेंगे next step. Now we write here 2, 2 1s are 2 and we write as it is 9. Now we have 1 here but still we have 9 here. 9 is composite number, so it is divisible by 3. This is the prime number. Now we forward 1 as it is and we divide 9 by 3. Now again we get 3 here. We divide this number again by 3. 3 is also a prime number. So we forward 1 as it is and we find 3 1s are 8. तो आपको ये जो प्रोसेस कब तक करना है, जितने नंबर्स आप LCM को फाइंड करने के लिए लेते हो उन सब में लास्ट में 1 आना चाहिए, तब तक आपका ये प्रोसेस चलता रहेगा. फाइनली जो आपको ये नंबर्स यहाँ पर मिल रहे हैं, यू मल्टीप्लाई दीज नंबर्स टू फाइंड द LCM. Now what is the LCM of 16 and 36? LCM of 16 and 36 is equals to, we multiply these prime numbers. 2 is multiplied by 2 is multiplied by 2 is multiplied by 2. We have 4 2's there and after that we write 3 and 3. You got it this? 1 आप लिखे नहीं लिखे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता बिकॉज आप 1 से जब भी मल्टीप्लाई करते हो you get the same number. Now 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 3s are 48, 3s are क्या हो जाएगा 144. You got it this? Now what is the LCM of 16 and 36? 144. Now relation between LCM and LCM of two numbers. आपने LCM भी फाइंड कर लिया, LCM भी फाइंड कर लिया. Now what is the relation between these numbers and LCM and LCM? LCM is multiplied by LCM is equal to product of the two numbers. अब आप इस फॉर्मूला से क्या कर सकते हो, नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूलेस को फॉर्मूलास को जनरेट कर सकते हो. आपको क्या करना है, LCM फाइंड करना है. तो आप क्या करोगे, इस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर्स में जो टू नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट आएगा उसको आप LCM से डिवाइड कर दोगे तो आपके पास में क्या आ जाएगा, LCM आ जाएगा. इफ वी फाइंड आउट LCM देन जो टू नंबर्स के प्रोडक्ट में होंगे उनको LCM से आप डिवाइड कर दोगे तो आपके पास में क्या आ जाएगा, LCM आ जाएगा. और अगेन आपके पास में इफ LCM 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 और their LCM is 120. What is LCM of here? 120. If one number is 24, find the other number. Now what contents are given here? आपको फर्स्ट नंबर गिवन है 24, LCM गिवन है यहाँ पर 6 और LCM गिवन है यहाँ पर 120. तो आपको सेकंड नंबर फाइंड करना है. तो what you will do? LCM is multiplied by LCM divided by first number. Now we write 6 is multiplied by 120 is divided by 24. Now both the numbers, all numbers are divisible. 6 1s are 6, 6 4s are 24 और 4 से आप 124 डिवाइड करोगे तो क्या जाएगा आपके पास में 30 आ जाएगा. This is the shortcut method. Otherwise first you multiply these two numbers, after that you divide by 24. In the both method we always get 30. We take one more example to understand this. Yes, students, in this example the LCM of 25 and 65 is 325. Find their LCM. अब आपको यहाँ पर क्या करना है? फर्स्ट नंबर and second number. You got it? And LCM of these two numbers और आपको find क्या करना है? LCM. So first we write the contents. First number is equal to 25. Second number is 65 and LCM is equals to, LCM is given. LCM is equals to 325. आपको फाइंड क्या करना है यहाँ पर? HCF फाइंड करना है. Now we already discussed कि आपको HCF फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करना है? Is equals to product of two numbers. Means first number is multiplied by second number and after that we divide by LCM. Now we put the values from here. 25 is multiplied by 65 and divided by 325. LCM 325, first number and second number. We put the values in this equation. Now we cut these numbers 25 and 325 and 65 all are divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25. Now 5 6 are 30 and 5 5s are 25. Now we have 65 here and 65 here. So we cut both the numbers. 65 ones are 65 and 65 ones are 65. Now we multiply the numerators of the numbers. Now 5 is multiplied 1 is divided by 1. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 upon 1 is equal to 5. Now what is the finally? HCF is equals to 5. Hope you understood this example. Students, hope you understood these contents of this chapter very well. Now